how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a one-point meal that's very tasty and very easy to make, carrot fried rice. So let's go and see how to make this yummy carrot fried rice. In case you didn't check out the lunch and dinner recipes that are available on my channel, link will be in the description box below. Please do check them out, try it out and let me know how they turned out. And let's go and see this amazing recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make carrot fried rice. Basmati rice, of course. Spring onion is optional. I have growing one in my yard, so I'm using it. Chilies, adjust according to your spiciness. I'm going to take 2.5 cups of rice, so I'm using 3 carrots, as 2 carrots are smaller. If you have same length carrots, use 2, that should be good enough. Methi, this is optional again, but it will give nice taste to the fried rice. And mint, of course, mint also gives nice flavor to the rice. 1 potato, 1 handful of peas soaked overnight, ginger garlic paste. This is biryani flour. In Hyderabad mostly it's sold, and it makes the fried rice or biryani so flavorful. That's why I like to add it. Turmeric powder, salt to taste, jeera, dhania powder, whole garam masala. These are the ingredients we need to make carrot fried rice. Soak the rice for 1 hour so that you will get nice grains of rice. You can see separately grains of rice in each bite. That's why you need to soak this for minimum half an hour and maximum of 1 hour. More than that, you will mash the rice. You don't want that, so let's soak the rice. Once I cut everything, and big onion, medium sized onion cut into small pieces. I forgot to add that, so 1 onion cut into small pieces. So let's cut everything and let's get ready to make the fried rice. First thing we are going to do is grate the carrots, cut the remaining ingredients, and then get ready to make the fried rice. I'm heating up 2 big tablespoons of oil. It's almost hot. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera. If you don't have it, add jeera. And next goes in our cardamom, cinnamon and clove. For 2 cups of rice, I am adding 2 of this. So let's add them. I'll break this cinnamon and open up the cardamom and add it. 2 cloves, I just will crush them and add them. 1 more cardamom. And next goes in our biryani flour. Little bit goes a long way, so don't add too much. It has a strong flavor, just crush and add it. Next goes in our methi, so that it will lose its bitterness while frying in oil. And next goes in our onion. 1 medium sized onion cut smallly. Mix it nicely and fry it until onions are nice and browning up. Onions are almost cooked, so we will add our chilies, everything. Spring onion, mint and coriander. Let them nicely fry for a bit. It smells so good in here. Let's add our ginger garlic paste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Mix it nicely and cook for a few seconds until the raw smell is gone from ginger garlic. It has been cooking for few seconds. Now we are going to add quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Mix nicely. Next goes in our peas. Let me get them. Do not add the water, squeeze out the water and add just the peas. Add methi and little bit more coriander and mint. It will taste really amazing. Mix it once. Fry for a minute. It will not even take a minute. Just fry them for a few seconds. After adding each thing, we'll fry them for a few seconds. And next goes in our potato. Squeeze out the water again and add in the potato. Mix it once more. And next goes in our carrot, the main star of the show. Here we go, I grated it. Add it. Let's mix everything together again. And we are going to fry this for at least 5 to 10 minutes until little bit less than medium heat. Keep mixing in the middle. At this stage we are going to add our salt necessary for the rice. For 2 cups of rice, I like to add 2 teaspoons of salt. You adjust according to your own taste. It's pink Himalayan salt, nothing to be scared about. And next goes in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. This will give nice taste to the fry. Mix it once. And keep the lid on and we'll cook for 5 to 10 minutes nicely and in little less than medium heat. We'll cook it for 5 to 10 minutes and I will show you after 5 to 10 minutes what to do next.
What's for Aki's turn?
Okay, add half an hour to it. So this is how it's nicely fried now. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. Now it's ready for our rice. Keep a close eye on it as it tends to burn. So keep a close eye on it. And now I took out the water. I soaked it for 45 minutes almost. Now I took out the water and I'm going to just add it. And now we are going to gently mix it. Don't be like very forceful. You are going to break all this beautiful rice. That should be good enough. And now we are going to add required amount of water. If you took 2 cups of water like me, add 3 and 3/4 of water. That is, we are reducing 1/4 cup of water because we already soaked it for 45 minutes. So let's add our water and I'll be back. I added the required amount of water. I'm going to gently mix in so that the salt is adjusted in every grain of the rice. And we'll keep the heat in medium without the lid and let it cook nicely until it comes together and all the water is evaporated. So keep checking on it in the middle. Keep mixing it if you need to, but don't over mix it and let it cook on medium heat until it's done. It's cooking nicely, as you can see. Just mix it once so that everywhere there is even cooking. Look how beautifully big they are becoming. Let it cook nicely without the lid on. You don't want to keep the lid on because it will mush the rice. So let it cook on open heat, and once it comes together I'll show you again. Look how almost the water is evaporated. You can check by putting your spoon like this, and you can see how much water is left. We need this water also to go. When the minimum water is left, then we'll keep the lid on and keep it on for 5 minutes on low heat, and it will cook itself. You don't need to mix at this stage. Don't mix because it will crush the rice. You don't want that. You want this beautiful long grain of rice. So let it cook, and when it becomes more without water, then we'll keep the lid on. As you can see, rice is beautifully cooked. At this stage, reduce the heat to all the way low and keep the lid on for 1 or 2 minutes. We'll keep it like this and then off the stove and keep the lid closed for another half an hour, and your rice will be perfectly cooked. After 1 to 2 minutes, I'll show you when I'm offing the stove. It's been 2 minutes. I'm offing the stove. I'll show you after half an hour when I open the lid how beautiful the rice is. It's been half an hour since the rice cooked. Let's open and see. Look at that beautiful color, beautiful grains. It's ready to be served alone or with onion raita, papad. You cannot imagine the possibilities. It will taste so good. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.